since we visited our college campus. Hello everyone, I am Rafyananda from final year CSE department, VSM's Institute of Technology Nippani. As you all know, the whole world is facing the huge issue of COVID-19. This pandemic has brought many challenges to the humans, to the societies and also to the educational system. The main issue faced by we, the students, is the completion of our academics. The studies and all the further activities were stopped due to this lockdown, but our college made sure that we didn't stop here. It provided us all the facilities, it gave us all the materials so that we can study sitting at the home. I'm very much thankful to the staff, to the management for helping us so much. The main issue we, the final students, had is the placement. We thought we missed all the placement drives and also the job opportunities. But no, our college made sure we didn't miss it. It conducted online aptitudes, it conducted online face-to-face interviews with the companies through which many of them among us got placed, and we are happy for that. And we sincerely thank our management and staff and all the VSM SRK Institute for helping us and supporting us during this pandemic. Thank you so much.
Hello friends, my name is Prashant Ramesh Sawant. I am from Computer Science and Engineering Department, VSM SRK. First of all, I would like to speak about project phase, which our staff members provided us the opportunity to provide it in virtually, which experienced or which benefited us to improve our communication skill and to interact with people virtually. Secondly, I would like to speak about the internship programs which our college provided us the opportunity to complete it in this COVID-19 pandemic lockdown period. The following companies in which we did our internship was Fuel, and as well as to improve our programming skills, our staff members helped us with the YouTube videos as well as to complete our portions. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Divya K. Sarkar, a final year student from Computer Science Department of VSM's SRK Nippani. As we know that the entire world is facing the serious crisis of corona pandemic. So to avoid the spreading of this disease, we are performing or practicing the social distancing rule by staying at our home. During this lockdown period, to avoid the academic losses of the student, our institute, that is VSM's SRK has been taken so many initiatives. Our professors are conducting online lectures on various platforms and also guiding us to use this quarantine period for the studies as well as self-improvement. Being a final year student, the technical seminar is the important part of our academics. So for this purpose, our institute has been conducting online seminar sessions for us with our respective guides. These online seminar sessions were conducted on a video conferencing application and were told us to record this session for the future references. We are regularly guided by our professors as well as the respective guides with the required information. This was really a great experience and a useful experience, and as well as we did not face any problems during our online seminar sessions. I would like to thank the institute, the professors who are taking efforts for us. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.
I remember that when I was leaving college in March, I was expecting another beautiful day in my college. But unfortunately, this could not happen. My name is Soumya Patil, student of 6th semester, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, VSM Somashekar Kochivali, Institute of Technology, Nippani. I am really glad my college is taking such a sweeping initiative towards implementation of online classes. Our college always ambulances with new experiences, and I feel new experiences with YouTube videos and Google Classroom are really best for both teachers and students. They create an environment which takes us back to our original classes. I heartfully respect and bow down to my teachers for their endless efforts in explanations and demonstrations. Till then, stay tuned, stay safe, and keep learning.
Hello friends, myself Ankita Rupade. I am the student of VSM SRK IT College Nippani from 6M CSE. So our VSM Institute is supporting to the global health community's work to keep the mankind safe and informed during the COVID-19 health crisis. So we know that coronavirus pandemic has scored the importance of internet connectivity at the learning is a continuous process. So our college is successfully conducted the online internal exams, also evaluated the papers and given the result to us. So they are also providing the notes, giving the assignments. So I heartily thank to all the faculties of USM SRKIT College. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay home.
Even in this critical situation during the lockdown, our faculties of BSM SRK have tried their best by taking online classes and sending effective videos which were easily understood by us. They tried their best until each and every student was satisfied by the concept. They understood the problematic situations of the students, and instead of ignoring it or being strictly towards us, they gave the better solution. In this lockdown, our college has created an awareness of COVID-19 by conducting online Rangoli and drawing competitions. This was the good experience at home. And I proudly say that I am the student of VSM SRKIT.
Hello guys, I am a student of VSM SRKIT College Nippani from Computer Science and Engineering branch. At present situation, whole world is fighting against a novel coronavirus. Due to this pandemic COVID-19, we all are locked in our home. All colleges are also closed. At this situation also, our teachers putting a lots of efforts to teach us. They are making the YouTube videos, they are preparing the notes for us and sending the notes through online apps. And also they are conducting the exams through online. If we have any doubts about notes and how to write the exam, if any time we call them, they will clear all the doubts. When 60 students are together in one class, it is easy to teach, it is easy to clear the doubts. But when 60 students are at a different places, it is somewhat difficult. But then also our teachers considered it as a challenge and trying to reach all the students through other online apps. Daily they are in contact with students through WhatsApp group, Google Classroom, etc. Daily they are updating the exam dates and also they are giving advice how to study the notes, how to prepare for the exam and how to write the exam and all. I am so proud to having such an amazing teaching staff. Big salute to our teachers for their efforts towards teaching students. So friends, whatever the notes, whatever the videos sending by our teacher, we will prepare them well, and whatever the advice given by our teachers, we will strictly follow them and we will put our 100% efforts to success our teachers' efforts. Thank you guys. Stay home, stay safe.
Hi everyone, I am Pooja Biradar. I am also VSMIT family. I hope all safe in home. So today I am speaking about online classes during COVID-19 situation. First, I proudly say to hands up to VSMIT faculty because online classes are really helpful understand during COVID-19 situation. We communicated easily with our faculty, learned each subject, submitted every assignment easily.
Hi friends, I am Rashmi Kamath from first year CSE department. As we all know, corona crisis disturbed the whole world and affect each and every sector. When it comes to students, we are also affected with our studies and academics. When the lockdown was announced, with few days our faculty provide timetable and conduct online classes. In this current situation, it was very difficult for the completion of syllabus, but due to the online classes, it becomes very easier. Faculty created department-wise YouTube channels and conduct IS, final year, pre-final, project phase, seminars, internship presentation, online NSS activities. This is the best platform to avoid our educational losses, and that's why I want to thanks to the faculty of VSM SRKIT. I am very grateful to the work of faculties encouraging and support during in these critical days. Thank you once again. Stay home, stay safe.